Welcome back, guys. In this video we're going to take a quick look at Inuvo Inc, ticker symbol INUV. As always, before we start, please remember, I'm not a financial advisor and this information is purely for educational purposes only. And please do your own due diligence before investing in any stocks. Before we get into the video, guys, if you could hit that like button and subscribe, it would really help the channel grow. Now without further ado, let's get into it. Inuvo Inc, together with its subsidiaries, a technology company, develops and sells information technology solutions in the United States. The company's platforms identify and message online audiences across devices, channels and formats, video, mobile, connected TV, display, and social and native. Its platform also allows advertisers and publishers to buy and sell advertising space in real time. The company's products and services include ValidClick that provides marketing service online, as well as indirectly to various advertisers, where a collection of data, analytics, and software gets used to align advertising messages with anonymous consumers online, and IntentKey, a consumer intent recognition system designed to reach targeted mobile and desktop in-market audiences. It also operates a collection of websites including Allot.com and EarnSpendLive.com, which creates content in health, finance, travel, careers, auto, education, and living categories. The company's marketing channels consist of websites, social media, blogs, public relations, trade shows, and conferences. Inuvo Inc. was incorporated in 1987 and is headquartered in Little Rock, Arkansas. Inuvo's IntentKey is a programmatic media solution powered by patented AI-generated proprietary audience data. Client media campaigns are delivered through a world-class, multi-channel supply-side platform and supported by a team of experienced campaign managers dedicated to accounts. Inuvo's unique, patented and unduplicated technology provides brands the ability to reach incremental audiences, generating more high-quality leads. The IntentKey identifies the earliest signals of consumer intent by processing over 200,000 consumer content engagements per second through the Intent Cloud, enabling the ability to reach users in near real time. The IntentKey developed and understands 24 million unique concepts of interest and the strength of the relationships between those concepts. These unique interest concepts and data points allow him to understand and identify audiences far beyond traditional audience segmentation techniques. Inuvo has patented intent-based audience categorization technology specifically built to extract consumer intent from engagement with digital content. $20 million has been invested over the last 12 years and they have 11 patents in total. Inuvo last issued its quarterly earnings results on November 9, 2020. The technology company reported 3 cents earnings per share for the quarter, hitting analysts' consensus estimates of 3 cents. The business earned $9.21 million during the quarter, compared to the consensus estimate of $9.18 million. Inuvo has generated 16 cents earnings per share over the last year. Inuvo has not formally confirmed its next earnings publication date, but the company's estimated earnings date is Wednesday, March 24, 2021, based off prior year's report dates. Insider ownership is 10.50%. Insider buying, last 12 months, was $170,742.96. Insider selling, last 12 months, was $0. Institutional ownership is 17.79%. The two analysts offering 12-month price forecasts for Inuvo Inc. have a median target of 1.38, with a high estimate of 2.25 and a low estimate of 0.50. The median estimate represents a plus 110.37% increase from the last price of 0.65. BlackRock has invested heavily in this stock over the past few months, meaning they have confidence in the long-term success of this stock, and is a positive sign for us investors. The stock had an incredible run today, shooting from 65 cents to $1.45. That's a 123.01% rise. After hours, they're up another 24%. If you plan on purchasing shares in this company, I would suggest waiting for a lower entry point. Anything under $1.25 would be great, Please remember this is only my opinion and not financial advice. Please do your own research before investing in any stocks. If you liked this, please hit the like button, leave a comment below and subscribe for more content like this. Join our Discord community 100% free. You can find the link in the description as well as a link to sign up for Trading212 who are offering a free share up to £100. Thanks for watching and take care.